Welcome back. Now, the second kind of email that you can make sure that your customers will get is called an automated email. On some platforms, this is called an autoresponder. In every process to create this autoresponder email or automatic email is going to be different within each platform. In MailChimp, we would go to this Create area. We would then go to this Automations tab. We would then get started. Now within MailChimp, we would create a journey. We would choose the specific list that we're going to be working with. We're going to name the customer contact journey. We would then click Start Building. What we would then do is to choose a starting point. In some platforms, this is called a trigger. And basically, what we're going to do is we're going to have an email that we craft ahead of time sent to all the individuals on a list that meet specific criteria. The simplest element to create is when the individual signs up for our email marketing list. We are then going to save this as the starting point or the trigger. What we would then do is to add a journey point. And in this case, we're going to automatically send the individual an email. We can design specific elements about this automated email. We can decide who on our list would get it, what the subject would be, how often we would send it, or on what days we would send it. We would determine any tracking. We could then select a specific template. We would then design the email, save it, and return back to the journey that we are creating. And basically, what we have done is we have followed the MailChimp process so that everyone that signs up to a specific list, they're going to get an automated email. Again, this process is going to work in a different manner in every autoresponder platform that you are using. But it is the second kind of email that you can send to individuals, which will be automated based on specific criteria. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.